Hello, the story I'm going to be sharing with you today is how the arts have affected my brother's life. My name is Jaqueline Ramirez, and without further ado, let's dive into the story. So we got to talk a little bit about the main character here, the star, the one we're going to be focusing on today, and he's my little brother, Max. He's currently 17. He's a senior in high school, and the arts that we're going to be talking more specifically about is music. And this is going to be Max in all three pictures. This is actually Max and me. These were taken within the last 2 years, so it's a very accurate representation of what he's looking like right now. So let's talk about why Max needed the arts and the challenges that he was facing at this point of his life. So Max has ADHD, meaning he has a lot of energy, he's hyperactive, and he always struggled with finding activities or extracurriculars to do that he could release all of his energy and focus on. He also has depression, and that leads him to be very emotionally distant. So he has a hard time really expressing how he's feeling, using his voice to express emotions. So we found that music was that outlet for him to really get all of those emotions, both positive and negative, out. Moving on, we always knew from a very young age Max was very emotional, and on top of that, with his ADHD, we knew Max needed extracurriculars or sports to help him release all of those emotions and energy, but nothing ever stuck. We put him in basketball, baseball, soccer, but he was never really interested in any of that, and much like sports, school was no different. He was never interested in any subjects in school. So we knew that we had to get really creative when it came to finding something that would spark Max's interest. And that leads us to our next slide, the inspiration behind why we chose to help Max in his musical journey. So we noticed that Max had a curiosity and interest for music when he got his first guitar a few years ago when he was 10 during Christmas. And once he forgot his first guitar, he started asking for more music equipment, and we noticed that he started to grow this strong curiosity and interest and love for music, and he started creating his own music and learning. He was self-taught, and I believe that some of the inspiration behind his love for music was also the exposure we had at a very young age. My parents would always take us to concerts or local bands, or would just always be playing music at our house, always different genres. So I think that also helped propel Max into having more of a curiosity for music. Once we knew Max had that love and passion for music, we tried to help it become a reality, and we did this by purchasing more equipment for him. Max was self-taught. He would often go on YouTube or purchase music books at thrift stores to help him learn music and learn how to play notes and all of that stuff. He started recruiting members, and after a year of trying to recruit members, he finally created his band, Previously Untitled, and their aim was to get their name out there, to play at shows, and to create music. So the results of Max creating his band and creating music and playing at shows was that he was actually able to perform at parties with his band. They did open mics, they created a YouTube video, they also had social media accounts like Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook to help them network. However, after COVID hit, their band decided to take a break, and since then Max has been independent. He's been recording his own music and getting it out there. He's also been taking classes at our local college, community college, and that has been helping him as well. This is a YouTube video on his band. They were playing at a New Year's party a few years ago. So right over here we have Max, the lead vocalist. She's the bass, and we have the drummer in the back. What I learned after going through this musical journey with Max is that music is very impactful and influential. I saw how much of a change it made in Max's life, and it was something that he could release his creativity and all of his emotions, and it was a form of self-expression. And so I'm very happy that Max was introduced to the arts and that he has done so well and has been so creative with the music he creates. This is my works cited page on some of the pictures that I used for this presentation. Thank you.